What is up, guys? Today we're on my trampoline at Logan's house and we're gonna play a game of bike with Caleb and /CG. Alrighty, so the rules are we each name what we're gonna do, like tail whip or bar spin. He does a bar spin. If he does it correctly, then we pass around till all of us does it correctly. Can't talk. Then whoever fails at it, it moves on to the next person and they choose what trick to do. Whoever gets bike first loses, and whoever has the least amount of letters in the end wins. What should the punishment be if you lose? Springer.
Yeah.
Okay, punishment is you get shot in the back with a Springer. Electric?
The little one that I have.
Oh, okay, yeah. We'll get shot in the back with an airsoft gun. So first one up is Caleb, whatever the hell we call him now. So, name your trick.
Okay, whatever this called, the bar spin.
What is? That's not
bar spin.
like you tail.
It's X up to bar spin.
Okay.
Oh no.
He doesn't get like any letters though. He just like failed his trick. So.
Yeah, he doesn't get a letter.
So now Logan calls trick.
Oh, well, let me explain one thing. So since we're not all used to this particular bike on a trampoline, we're giving ourselves 3 chances. Two? Okay, 2 chances. My bad.
Yes. That counts.
Yeah. That for
The opposite way. Man, I can barely do a regular person.
That was close. Alrighty.
I'm just glad.
Yeah, opposite bar. Oh, over.
You overdid it.
Try again.
Damn it.
And out the holy
Why we
goes.
have nets.
Yeah.
On this one.
I'm gonna zip up my net.
On my trampoline, you really don't have net.
I don't know.
I'm gonna do a toboggan.
Toboggan. He's just making shit up.
No, it's actually a thing.
I know.
Toboggan. So it's just like.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
And that's it? That's all you do? So toboggan, bounce, bar spin.
Sure, let's do that.
So toboggan, bar spin, ding! And then do a tabletop? Okay, can we do? We'll count that. We'll count that, dude.
I'm so proud.
Nice.
Yes. I'm nervous because last time I couldn't do a simple bar spin. Toboggan.
There you go.
Yeah, we all made.
Toboggan and bar spin in one.
Shoot. So if you fail this,
I do one more time.
yeah. Dang, that was shoot.
Bar spin in the okay.
So you toboggan bar spin.
I get it.
Actually, no, my first one's pretty good.
Yeah, that was first one pretty good.
That's a little tricky. I'm not sure I can do that.
That's not bad.
Dang,
I don't know.
that was close.
I kind of like missed it a bit.
Do it again. Do it again.
That was really close, man.
I'm gonna count it.
That I'm actually surprised. No offense.
On your editing, we'll like replay it
Yeah.
and see if we. See if
I'll have like bones breaking when we fall. That was no toboggan.
Try
Yeah.
again. Just try again with toboggan. So just grab then throw. Yeah, I'll count that.
When did you do after that?
Air.
Table 60.
I'm gonna do table. Yeah. I've never done a 360 yet. Oh yeah, I'm just doing a 360.
Okay.
Oh my butt! I pulled the seat into my butt. Ow.
And
Okay, I got one more.
second chance. Dun 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 ding.
Well, Logan was like that, but then Logan tried to.
Yeah. Yeah, nice, man.
You did better than me.
You just gotta get a bunch of air.
Okay, I'll
You
be
did like
honest.
that, like pull it to your.
My headset's messed up. Okay.
I'm surprised I did that.
I also have never done a 360 on this. So,
I think we can all count that.
it's a dead
Let's
sale.
count it.
Can I try it one more time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I started a dead sale. Let's see.
Okay, I'm gonna fail this next one.
Oh!
I'm gonna fail this next one for you.
No, you
gonna
don't
be-
have to.
180 bar spin.
You almost fell off the
I'm
trampoline.
drunk.
Tabletop.
Drunk TJ.
180. So tabletop 180 bar spin.
At the same time.
At the same.
If you make this,
Oh my
I'm gonna hate you forever.
If you make this, it's gonna be a freaking miracle.
Oh boy.
Oh, you almost got that.
You were so close.
Ow. I landed on the bike.
I know your knee looked like it just
No,
hit.
my hand.
Oh,
Dude, you were so close.
that was awesome.
I feel like I'm getting really tired.
You are kind of.
You're 14 off first. Damn.
That's not bad. Woo, hoo, hoo.
And
Oh.
I'm gonna count that.
Alright, fine.
I'm gonna count that. That was amazing, actually.
jeez. That almost
That
hurt
was
really bad.
I just started 180. Oh, right on.
I did. Nice.
I can't believe it.
Oh, I missed that.
That was like slight over rotation. No, it wasn't. You didn't even. Doesn't. You did a 90.
Oh,
Oh.
I over rotated the
So
bar.
you get a B.
Yeah.
And
Need to try a tail flip.
yeah.
I don't know how to do it, but
So we'll just say.
So we're all gonna get B's if he lands it.
I know.
okay, so I just jump and then. Oh, how do I flip it?
Okay, here. Let me. Can I show him?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you. I'd recommend when you do it, you just have to just get that motion first.
But make sure you slide your foot.
Yeah, and so when you
So
go
you-
watch my foot, like I kick it out.
So you kick the bike basically. You just
Okay.
you don't kick it, but you like push it.
Okay, I see it. I see it.
Yeah, it's fairly easy. The part that's hard is landing.
I don't want to do it.
Please don't land this.
Ah, shoot.
Yeah.
I forgot to do this part.
Yeah.
I can't
It's more like a
Here,
whip.
try it without bouncing, just to kind of get the rotation down.
Dude, imagine this in a like. Well, imagine they made like a skate park for like with trampolines, so you could use trampoline
They have
bikes.
one like that, and it's in LA.
Oh dang, that's
They
awesome.
have this huge.
Let's go there sometime.
Bounce on the trampoline, guys are doing like double front flips off it.
Let's go there for college.
Yeah, really. Hey, it might be a filmmaker down there.
Yeah.
That was so close, dude.
And TJ's turn.
Ah, so,
No!
But you didn't get a letter. You didn't get a letter, so you're fine.
it's gonna snap. Yep.
So what are you calling?
Let's see.
Do a can. I want to try that again.
I was gonna do Superman.
Ooh,
Oh.
I can't super.
Ready?
I'm not good at supers.
I'm gonna fail this. I'm just.
That wasn't a seat. Wait, was that a Superman?
I don't know. Superman.
That was a seat grab. Like
Yeah.
that was a seat grab.
I know. Superman is like you go like this with the seat and then throw it.
No, that's a
Fine, I'll
that's a
just
seat grab.
I'll do
Just do seat grab.
This is one of the easiest.
Oh, okay. I'll count it.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I'm up.
One hand out, but no. It's fairly easy.
Grab the seat.
Yeah, and then throw it. Except you have to have your feet off the back.
Oh, okay.
So you have to, yeah, like that.
Okay, I'll just want to try this.
I'll just give you one.
One more.
Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect.
I'm doing moguls on a bike.
Yeah. I'll be shocked if I. And one more try. It's.
I don't want to hit Caleb. I don't care if I hit Caleb.
It's like you want my trampoline.
It's a nice trampoline.
It is. I'm happy. I have to fix that hole, but yeah. Sorry in advance, guys, for the. Yeah!
I'm counting it. I'm counting
That is totally counting it.
My legs.
So I'm gonna do tabletop into tail whip. No, not tail whip. 360.
I hate those. I saw X up 360.
No. Yeah. Okay. Let me try this again.
Get the back up. A little higher.
It's like.
Yeah, I'll count that if you do this. Oh, so it's tabletop 360. Okay, yeah.
What did I say?
You said I thought it was in one, not.
Oh no. Yeah, 2. Both.
Okay, I got you. So my turn.
Oh, so 360 then.
No, tabletop.
Tabletop, then into.
That was it.
No, it wasn't. You didn't even do the tabletop.
Yeah, I did. I did it.
Oh, then I wasn't paying attention.
I did it. Okay.
Do it one more time.
You get 2 more chances if you fail.
I'm sorry, I didn't see that. I thought you just did the 360. Okay, that I take that back. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Oh no. No, stupid bike.
You just chuck it over the fence.
Other leg over like that.
Well, no, so I'm thinking when I jump, at least get both feet over the seat.
Yeah, just get both seat.
On one side of the seat. I can definitely do that.
Yeah, I'll count it.
Can I do that again?
Sure. Okay. So you just have to get like. One.
You just have to get
So I
both
could
feet
go
on
like-
one side of the seat.
I could go like that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's way too far.
Thanks, Caleb.
One more time.
Yep.
He gets 1 more try anyway.
Yeah, we each get 2 tries. So I still will say eh.
Oh, that's
Dang, dude.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, both.
Oh no! One-hander, which is like jump,
Yeah, and
go,
you. Yeah, yeah.
and then bounce into a partial tail whip.
Okay.
So like I'm not gonna land.
So you don't have to land it. You just do
Yeah.
tail
You
whip.
just have to like.
Yeah.
You just have to tail whip.
It just has to whip.
So.
Oh. Oh, you had it! You had it! And then you would have failed your trick.
Yeah. And bounce tail whip.
Like, it wasn't the mat that was broken. It was the bars.
Oh. So you jacked it up.
You know that dirt hill? On the
Yeah.
house? We put our car-
Eh.
What?
I don't know. I wasn't
did
paying
that?
attention. I'm kidding.
You were watching?
I'm gonna do a tuck no hander into a 360 or 180.
So,
180.
no hander,
So
180.
180 or yeah, and at the same time, no bounce.
Oh, at the same time.
Oh.
Okay, I've seen this before. Yeah. I got you.
These handlebars are gonna go flying off. Okay.
Nah, did he get that hand on it at the
You
end?
landed it.
Okay.
I was so close to dead.
I know all.
Yeah, let's get down. Let's get a normal tail whip down.
Yeah. So, I just like that.
Yeah.
So I don't have to talk.
No, you still have to tuck, because it's part of the trick. Tuck no hander, 180. This is gonna be a long game. That was close, but yes, you did it. I gotta like learn not to bounce when I have the camera. Nice,
That was fun.
isn't it?
I know, I have trouble with that one.
So
I think I tried tucking it too close.
I'm gonna do what Danny McCaskill did in one of his videos. He
What's
does,
that?
Danny McCaskill?
McCaskill. He like, so he goes here, bounces, goes down, bounces up, and then partial tail whip.
Partial tail.
Oh God.
He actually tries to tail it.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Ah,
Try that. That's just a massive mess.
yeah. I wouldn't count that one.
Maybe I can't do that.
I'm gonna hurt myself. Like, trying
Just
to
please don't do it.
Oh.
No. That was like a bike flip. I'm not gonna count it because it's a bike flip.
What about you? It's a suicide no-hander.
Suicide no-hander?
You know what?
No, suicide is just this.
Oh! Funny.
I know what I'm doing for the next trick.
Okay. Wait, it's my turn.
Yeah, I know I'm holding the bike
Calm
up.
down, sir.
So what's your trick?
This is my trick. He just
Oh.
did it.
Yeah.
He did the seat.
It's anything. You're just
Okay.
being Taylor's nothing. No. Wait, do you have a B?
No, I might.
Dang it! Why am I bleeding?
I did it. I just did.
Alrighty, hey guys, so I lost the footage somehow, and I'm going to tell you what we did. So we were playing, bike, and I ended up losing. Logan ended up losing, and so it was Caleb that won. So we decided to do a sudden death round, and we had to do one trick and make it. And if we didn't do the trick right, we would not make him win, something like that. Yeah, you'll see the aftermath of that.
Okay, at least your feet here.
Damn, fine.
You did that. You've done that.
I know. What if I land it with my foot on it? Or that on my foot? But in this, okay, just go.
Oh man.
Yeah!
Yes.
So wait, do you want to go next or is it me?
So what happens if you
It's
don't
you
land?
go.
But I don't land it.
I win.
Then he is just out. Then I get a chance to redeem
If you
myself.
don't land, I end up winning.
Yes.
Damn it, there's so much pressure on me. I was doing this. I feel like I'm at
Go for
Whistler.
it.
I'll stop doing that. I'm not gonna do this. There's no freaking way.
Got it. You just reach out with your leg and grab it. Remember? Ah.
Okay, Logan.
Okay, I get a try. No.
Watch, he's gonna do it.
I know.
I do it, and then I do some stupid like.
You do it and do like a backflip over the
I'm gonna
fence.
grab the gun.
No. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Don't get the small little electric one.
Yeah. What gun do you
It
want?
doesn't hurt.
The small little guy, the one his dad was shooting us with.
That's the
Small
one.
electric-
Yeah.
Small little
You
egg.
said don't grab this.
I said, don't get the big guy, get the small electric one.
Said, oh, I go. Do your tail. Okay. Try and shoot him and we can do
Memories.
Please make this, Logan. Because if you do, that means he loses.
Ow, my knee.
Fuck.
Ow.
I get shot now.
Ow.
See you after the break. Okay, weapon of choice. Dun dun. That was So he's gonna shoot me from the table. I'll be standing like by the trampoline.
Stand on my
Something like that. Logan will be
sit right there.
here.
Daly will be my co-camera person.
That poor dog. You should shoot him. Get out of his misery.
Shoot him. We'll edit this, so.
Can I shoot him now?
You sound like a gunshot and like fall.
Okay, ready? No, stop. Okay.
Ready?
That feels weird.
Didn't hurt, did it?
I have one more shot.
Alrighty guys, thanks for watching that little video. As always, comment, like, share if you so please. Make sure to subscribe and follow us on social medias. All of our links will be in the description below, so go check that out. Thanks.